Click on the subscribe button to watch more videos on my YouTube channel, and also click on this bell icon to get all notifications on your mail.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about the dimension tools. Already explained the break and edges to space, some of the commands, and I'm going to explain the inspect, update and reassociate. These three commands I explained in this tutorial, and let's get started. After that, first go on to the one of the drawing is created for the explanation purpose. Already explained in my previous tutorial. You can also observe in my previous tutorial this drawing, and go on to the inspect. First I want to inspect the dimensions. First select the dimensions. It's asking one of the dialog box will appears. In this dialog box contains the select dimensions and the round, angular and the none, and the inspection rate is there, and the label is there, and click on OK, cancel and help option is available, and go on to the select the one of the dimensions what you want to create. To change the dimensions, I want to give the round option to highlight the dimensions, and click on OK. See, the dimension is highlighted to the corner, and the two horizontal lines, and the one of the two corners are like this. One of the automatically it form. You want to change the text, click on the double click on the text. You can also change the dimension also, can possible on this. I want to give the angular. You can select the dimension first and click on enter. The dialog box will appears, and I want to does not give the inspection rate, and unmark the inspection rate option and click on the 100, and see the 97.74 is mm is highlighting. The 100% inspection rate is not available. You want to click on the none option, go on to the select on the mark and mark this none, and select the dimensions and click on enter and click on OK. You want to give the inspection rate. You can also give the inspection rate like this. You can give the dimensions styles. You can by using this dimension tools. This is the one of the tutorial for the beginners I'm explaining, and the inspection is completed, and want to give the label like this. You can give the label. For example, I'm giving any of the text star. It is created not able check to. I'm giving the like this. Like this I give the CAD and click on enter. Like this, one of the dimension I created. See, the CAD is not created. This somewhat is enough to know this the dimension to highlight. Okay, this command is completed. Next, go on to the inspection dimension and give the inspection rate, and you give the round, angular and the none, and simply click the select the any of the dimension. The dimensions will changes automatically as your wish, as per the requirement. And then go on to the update, and the update option is there. You want to give the update all the dimensions. This tool is very helpful, and click on and all the dimensions you selected, and click on double enter, and the dimension styles will appear, and annotate and save and restores, and the status and the variables apply. Already explained the dimension style manager. You can give the different types of styles. You can, by using the dimension style dialog box will appear. You can give the different types of height, and this option also available to change any of the dimensions. These dimension update will helpful on the larger drawings, or the some of the heavy of the drawings, or the different types of dimensions. The dimension update is very helpful. This dimension style, to change the dimension style also, and simply click on the any of the two dimensions or any of the one of the dimensions it can found. You can observe on the command line port what are the operations I am performing on the screen. You can observe the different types, and go on to the these two objects are completed, and the two commands are completed, sorry, and go on to the this nothing but a reassociate, and click on the reassociate command and the dimension reassociate, and by using the command dim and reassociate simply, and select the object are de-associated. I will explain the two objects, and simply click on the select any of the object and click on enter. After click on enter, it asks to specify the first extension and the line origin. I am giving the extension point and the nearest to that, and second point is not created. Let remains constant like this. The distance is some of the distance is removed like this. The dimension is changes as you wish. You can give the different types of dimensions like this, and the 72.37, and select the dimension Again I will explain and click on enter. I am selecting the nearest point, some of the distance are required. I'm not selecting the second point, and the first point is see, the dimension is somewhat reduced as compared to the previous. And go on to the again the reassociate and click on enter, and the nearest point and click on enter. The dimension is come to the smaller. See, the blue is the specifying the highlighting points what you wear, the 71.37 like this. I will explain with the 2 points, I will explain with the 1 point, I will explain with the 2 example. And click on the dimension. Simply you want to required from somewhat distance. I am selecting the first point and the second point on somewhat the distance is required. See, somewhat distance will show the dimensions with accurately, with automatically the dimension will also changes with respect to the 2 nearest points what you specifying the points on the rectangle. The 2 points will create it like this. And see, you can observe, I will explain with the reassociate of the deassociated option also. I will explain in this tutorial like this. This is the second method, and the first method you also observe in the command line prompt what are the operations I'm performing. And go on to the select objects the dimensions, and click on the auto and select the dimensions, and click on the associated, and click on the select the first extensions and the line and origin or any of the select object is asking. I'm selecting the object from some point to point. See, the dimension is changed to the upper like this. You can deassociate also, it is possible by the, you can change the dimensions by using this reassociated command. Simply dim reassociate and simply type on that command. This object will perform all of the operations, and the 2 blue points will show you for the reference purpose what you created to change the dimensions. These 3 dimensions are very helpful to change any of the dimensions to look better as compared with the previous linear dimensions. Use these quick dimensions and change the dimension styles. The drawing will also look good.